Today is the day, boys. There it is. In the last video, I mentioned how I lost the key for my security locks for my wheels, so I couldn't remove my wheels. I was able to remove them. So as you can see, if my tripod can let me go this low, check that out. I don't have any more of those stupid security locks. Just a little tip for you guys. They don't do anything. I was able to remove them with a 5/8 socket within 5 minutes. They don't do anything. Okay. I'll even show you what kind of socket I use. I have it right here. I use this socket. It's not even a 12-point. It's a 6-point. If it'll focus. Doesn't focus. Doesn't matter. But yeah, I was able to remove them just in 5 minutes. That's why I didn't record it, because it was just too easy. It would have been like a 2-second video of hi, unbolt, 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 video done. So that's why I didn't record it. There's no point. Is this? That's too close. Oh, hi guys. Alright guys, so the wheel is off. In fact, the wheels are right over there. I've checked everything. Everything looks like it's fine, so that's a good thing. We can proceed with this. I'm gonna start with this fitting up here. I have to move my softbox lights so you guys can see. Then there's a bolt back here. There's a banjo bolt that I need to remove right back here, and that's pretty much it. Then all we need to do is just, bolt in all this new stuff. I don't think there's a specific direction this needs to be, which is good. But before we do any of that, we have to, undo this bolt here, so the actual brake line can come out, because I did bolt that to the coilover, because I'm stupid. From the heights that we have built all by ourselves, and there is fear of the unknown. But we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us.
do we go? Is a question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to.
Alright guys, so the new brake line is in. And if you can see up there, like you see a little bit of thread there. Don't worry about that. That's how it's supposed to be that's how it is on the other side stock too. So that is not too concerning. I just tightened it until it doesn't tighten anymore. And yeah. But yeah, we got the brake lines in. They're pretty nice brake lines too. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying.
What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We cannot see to the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something bigger than ourselves. Broken horses that we get built to be all by that we get the highs that we get built to be all by that we get the highs that we
And that is it. I bled the brakes this morning. It didn't take too long, maybe took half an hour or something. Wasn't too bad. And oh my god, the brake pedal definitely has changed in feel. Definitely, a lot stiffer now than it was before, which, good or bad, that's debatable, but I personally like it. So yeah, there's that. I consider this a success. It only took me longer than it was supposed to be because I did leave the car overnight without bleeding the brakes because, I kind of finished up a bit late, but oh well. That is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe. I do apologize for not recording as much as I probably should have. I don't want to record the brake bleeding process just because it's a really boring process of hooking up basically just a hose into a bottle full of fluid and then just pumping the brake over and over again. It's really boring, and that's why I didn't record it, because if you want to know how to bleed brakes, go, Google it or something. It's really not that difficult. But yeah, that's going to be it. Hopefully you enjoyed, and until next time, peace.